Now this is the probe. It has two ends. One end is like this. The other end is like this. So this black color is for ground. The other end you can connect to the other part of the circuit, positive usually. Okay. Now this will, I will connect it to channel 1. Insert it and then turn it in the right direction. It will get locked. Now what I will do is, I have a simple resistor circuit here. Let us measure the voltage across these resistors. 9 volt battery is connected. So what I will do is, now I have connected this probe to channel 1. So let me switch on the channel 1. Channel 1, okay, so this line is there. Then I think this is the cursor, because the cursor is on. So okay, now I switched off the cursor. Now this is, let me say this is my reference line. So I can adjust it anywhere. So when I connected DC voltage, one line should come. Let us see whether it comes. So let me say this is my ground point. I will connect this to ground. Okay, now I will see whether any voltage is coming in channel 1. See, now if you see, this line gets shifted. Now how much is this voltage we can measure. It is 5 volts per division, so I can just make it little more. See, now it is that there's some loose contact.